Hello friends, welcome to my channel eCruxter. In this video series, I am covering the questions related to the computer science branch. And initially, I have started my channel, so I am discussing the some fundamental questions related to C language. But these questions are those questions which came in the UGC NET exams. Okay. In the previous video, I discussed one complex declaration in C language, and in this video also, and in the coming next video also, I am going to discuss some complex declarations in C language. Okay. The question which I covering here is the 8th question of my video series, and this question is asking you which of the following option is correct. And the question is, what does the following declaration mean? The declaration given to you is int asterisk ptr, and then in the square bracket we are writing 10 semicolon. And what does declaration mean? And the options given to you are, the first option is ptr is an array of pointers of 10 integers. ptr is a pointer to an array of 10 integers. ptr is an array of 10 integers, and the last option is none of the above. Okay, so try to solve this particular question. Okay, the declaration given here to you is, you can see it is int asterisk ptr, and in the square bracket you have written 10. Okay, if you see here, int is simply a data type, that is integer type values, and then you have written the simple parenthesis and then a square bracket. Parenthesis and square bracket have the same precedence, and both have left to right precedence. That is, first this will be solved and then this will be solved. Okay, if we see the second one, it is written like this, and this declaration is for the array, and here you have written 10, that is array of 10 elements. This means array of 10 elements. Okay, now this declaration is simply, you see, it is asterisk and then ptr, that is ptr is a pointer, that is ptr is returning an address. Now if we check the meaning of this declaration, then you will see, if we combine these first and second part of this particular declaration, then you can see ptr is a pointer. ptr is a pointer to an array of 10 integers, that is, first we are getting the meaning of this particular declaration, which is ptr is a pointer, that is ptr is a pointer, that is ptr is returning an address, that is here we are storing an address. ptr is a pointer. ptr is simply variable which is storing the address. Okay, ptr is simply a variable which is going to store the address. ptr is a pointer to a variable. ptr is a variable, yeah, ptr is a pointer, you can say ptr is a pointer to an array, okay, array of what? Array of 10 integers, to an array of 10 integers, and those integers are of type integers, and those integer, sorry, to an array of integers, or you can say those elements are of type integers. Okay, that is, its address is stored here. ptr is a pointer to an array of 10 elements, and all those elements are of type integer. Okay, this is the meaning of this declaration. Okay, now we see which option is correct. The first option is saying ptr is an array, but you see that ptr is not an array. ptr is simply a variable returning the address of an array. Okay, so this first statement is wrong. ptr is not an array. ptr is an array of pointers. ptr is not an array of pointers of 10 integers. Okay, this statement is wrong. If we move to the second statement, it is ptr is a pointer. Okay, good. ptr is a pointer to an array of 10 integers. ptr is a pointer, that is ptr is returning an address. ptr is returning an address to an array, that is of an array of 10 integers. It is correct. This statement is correct. Okay, Third option, PTR is an array of 9 integer. It is wrong. PTR is not an array of 9 integer. That is the name of this array is not PTR. Okay, the name of this array is something different, and its base address is written through the PTR. And none of the above is also wrong. That is, the option B is correct. Okay. I think and I hope that you have understand this particular video easily. This is not was not a very much complex declaration, but you have to understand the meaning of each and every term and then relate it and then conclude the result. Okay, if you are liking my videos, then please share my videos with other persons, with your friends, in your circle. And if you are having somewhat query, then you can write to me so that I can answer your queries. Thank you very much.